So point P lies on AB. This question, point P lies on AB line. So this is an AB line. I'm drawing a line AB and P lies somewhere on this line. So I'm marking P over here. Okay. So point P lies on AB. This is AB line and we are drawing P over there. Now let's start with the B part. XY and PQ intersect at M. Intersect means they are crossing each other at M. So this is your XY and next is PQ. And they are intersecting at M point. So in C part, it is given that line L contains E and F but not D. So in line L, we have marked E and F point, but D will be outside this line. D will be outside this line, not on the line L. And in the D part, what happens? It's given OP and OQ meet at O. So O is here. O is here. O is at O is 1 point, and we are meeting O with P also, O with Q also. Okay. So there is a single point O which on these two lines are meeting. So this is OP and OQ meet at O. There will be common vertex, that is O, in both the lines. Exercise 4.2, question number 3. In this question, what we have to do? We have to draw a polygon and we have to shade its interior. Polygon, as I have told you, that any closed figure made up of line segment is known as a polygon. Okay. So here I am drawing a polygon. Any polygon you can draw it. A, B, C, D. I have named this polygon and I have shaded this part. Inner part, interior means inner part. So I have shaded the interior part of this. So this is the answer of question number 3. You have drawn any polygon. I have drawn a rhombus over here and I have shaded its interior part. Okay. So this is a polygon. Clear? And it is a closed figure also, as well as it is made up of line segments. Is this figure?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, it is not a curve.
Oh, yes, ma'am. It's a curve.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, it is a curve because it is a closed. Yes, it is a curve because it is bending from both all the sides. And is it a closed figure or not? Is it a closed figure or not? Yes or no? Is this figure a closed figure or not?
Yes, ma'am. It's closed figure.
Yes, it is a closed figure. Yes, it is closed. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. Now in the A part, it is given that you have to draw a closed curve that is not a polygon. So I'm drawing a closed curve here. And if you see this, this is not a polygon. This is not any type of polygon. Neither it is a triangle, nor quadrilateral, nor a pentagon, nor hexagon, nor septagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Nothing is there. Neither it is a polygon and it is a closed figure as well as. And secondly, So this is the A part. Okay, in this way you're going to do this A part. Now let's start with the B part. An open curve made of entirely of line segments. I have to make an open curve which is entirely a line segment. So we can draw it in any way. It is a line segment. Yes, you can draw it in this way. It is made up of line segment and it is the open curve. You can draw any other figure also which is made up of line segments and it should be an open curve. Okay. Now let's start with the C part. A polygon with two sides. We have to make a polygon which is having two sides. Is it possible to have a polygon with two sides? Polygon start with the minimum sides which is having three, like triangle onwards. Okay, so it should have three sides, minimum three sides. So this condition is false over here. So we can write it is not possible. It is not possible to draw figure. It is not possible because a polygon of two sides, because a polygon of two sides can't be drawn. It is not possible because a polygon with two sides can't be drawn. Clear? Because we know already that polygons always start with three sides. Three-sided polygon, the minimum side should be three, that is a triangle. So it cannot be a two-sided figure.